पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वधर्म गुरुपाद परम नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर दान करो। श्री भगवान गोस्वामी महाराज श्री नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्री राम करो। श्री नारायण महाराज का वचन में महामंत्री नमस्कार धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद स्वामी महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा
Yesterday we were reciting 29 chapter Canto. Okay, that's okay. Canto 10, chapter 29, where Sukadeva Goswami Pad is reciting the Ras Leela Katha to Parikshit Maharaj. I want to say a couple of words on that.
प्रारंभ में यह कहना चाहते हैं इस कथा के रासलीला कथा की मूल श्रोता कौन है?
Who is the Stota? Who is the Vakta? Who is the speaker and who is the listener of this Raslila Katha? Who is the Sukadeva Goswami is a speaker. He is a brahmachari. He is a Nistik brahmachari. From a Nistik means from a childhood. He is brahmachari. He had Chit and his man. He had Nista. He is Nista. That's why this material world Maya he didn't have any desires for this material world. So that is it called Nistik Brahmachari. Kumar Nistik Brahmachari means he's been a brahmachari from childhood. Who has the darshan of him, even the trees, even the animals and the birds, they also get absorbed in the prem. Darshan, there is who's Vaishnava is a Vaishnava who you have just darshan and that Krishna prem and the Krishna Naam just automatically comes from your heart. That is called Uttam Mahabhagavad. So if you just have a darshan of Uttam Mahabhagavad, then automatically the Krishna prem manifests in your heart. So Sukadeva Goswami this applies directly to Sukadeva Goswami. When he took birth from his mother's womb, he was like 16-year-old. Just having the darshan of him, even the animals and the birds, just this, their heart melted.
जब प्रवचंतो मनुपेत अवैध कृतम त्रयिकायन विरह कातर आजुहाव उत्तरेति तन्मय तरोदिने तम सरोद हृदय मुनिमानो मुस्मित। तो सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद की
This Sukadeva Goswami Pad,
यह सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद मातृगर्भ से निकलकर
when he gave birth, when he came out from his mother's womb, his mind was so fixed in Brahman, Bhagwan, like his chit and his man, his mind and his heart were fixed in Bhagwan. And then who's even taking darshan, even the animals and the birds got absorbed in Krishna Prem. He didn't even have a janma sanskar, no nadi, no snan. When the balak takes birth, when the baby is born, that's called janma sanskar. When the umbilical cord is cut and the baby has a bath. So he didn't even have this. Upavik sanskar. He didn't even have Upavikis. So Vyasadev, his father, just saying, Ha Putra, hey son, and he's running behind Sukadeva Goswami. But why is he saying Ha Putra, Ha Putra? Ha son, hey son. Vyasadev is thinking in his mind that Brahmachari, Nastik Brahmachari, if he that whatever we have, I want to give everything that I have. I want to give it to him. So like a father who's got his wealth, and he wants to give it to his son. Even the sarapan, even the alcoholic or a gambler, even the then what happens to the son, that children, the son would leave him because his father is drinking or a gambler. Then some father who thinks his son is responsible to look after the wealth, then he will give before the father dies, that he will give it to he prepares a will to his responsible son, because he knows that this son is qualified and is responsible to look after my wealth. But if his son was a drunken or a gambler, then he wouldn't give his wealth to his will. So he would just destroy my wealth. That's why, so father is saying, all my hard work that I've got the wealth because of my hard work, this will be just wasted. So like that, Vyasadev is saying, he had Ekanti Nista, he's a brahmachari, he's a Ekanti brahmachari, so that he's qualified. So I want to give that to him. Sukadeva Goswami Pad, Vyasadev. Why was Vyasadev running after to give him, saying, hey son, why was he running behind the Sukadeva Goswami? Vyasadev ji, when Sukadeva Goswami took birth, why is Vyasadev running behind him? No moho. No, it's not for moho. It's not for. Because he is qualified. Vyasadev is Narayan. Vyasadev is Narayan himself. He is a Swarup of Narayan. And Patru is what he said. That is Karmivad. Karmis are saying, Karmi people, the materialist people. That's why बुद्धि।
ऐसे नहीं, जो व्यास नारायण से
Vyasa is Narayan himself.
शास्त्र आदि अध्ययन प्रकाश किया,
Say all the shastras is written,
साक्षात
Sat Sat.
कृष्ण के दर्शन किया।
He is also had darshan of Krishna.
ऐसा ना, नारद जी के
Vyas
कृपा से
with the kripa of Naradji,
भगवान के दर्शन किया।
he had
और ये सारे
Bhagwan's
लीला को
darshan.
किए।
He has had darshan of the Leela, and he's written Bhagavad. He wrote Bhagavatam.
कैसे हो सकता है?
So why would he have any attachment to his son, material attachment to his son? Many Karmivadas say that because Vyasadeva was running after his son Sukadev Goswami, Sukadev, he was running behind Sukadev Goswami. That is Karmivada's katha, but that's not true. Vyasadeva is thinking that this wealth, this precious wealth I have, I want to give it to the son. This Krishna Prem Dhan, Srimad Bhagavatam, the what I have, all this with a very difficulty, tapasya, I have manifested. Then I want to give that Bhagavat to my son. So what is our Yoga Patra doing? He didn't listen to the Bhagavatam. He wants to lean. He's running to get lean, to merge with the effulgence of Krishna. But once you merge with effulgence, then there is no way of coming back. It's very difficult. So that's why Vyasadeva is running behind his son Sukadev. They say, "Hey Putra, hey son, this precious, very precious wealth which I have, that this wealth I want to give it to you." This is Vyasadeva. Right, this is that you have this wealth. This Putra. When Vyasadeva is saying Ha Putra, the trees, the mountains, Patigani, they are He said the trees and the mountains around, they are saying, "Oh, whose son? Jnani people say that what relationship you have with your son or family? It is Lord. We all are Brahman. Everybody is Brahman. There is one Brahman. One is Brahma, another one is Brahman. Then why is one Brahman running after another Brahman? This is what karma, Jnanivadis say this. He said this is Maya Maha. This shouldn't have any attachment to this Maya. You should just give up all these attachments and merge with the Brahman. This is Achay. So they are saying this is good that your son is running and he wants to merge with the effulgence of Krishna, Brahma, Jyoti. So they would say it's good. Sankaracharya is saying that yes, you shouldn't have any attachment, Momaya. But that is Jnanivad. But Vyasadeva, but that's not true. But Vyasadeva is saying, Ha Putra, hey, whatever dhan I've attained, whatever dhan with so much difficulty and austerities, I've gained this wealth, that I want to give that to you. That's why he's running behind Sukadev Goswami. You know the katha. The Sukadev Goswami, when and was in the jungle, then when he lost, there is a sukh. When he got hunters, he told the hunters in the forest, there is one sukh. Sukh he's
मैं एक
he's somewhere in the forest. I want you to go and collect him. I want you to go and see where Sukh. But I will give you a mantra. Then I'll give you this mantra. With this mantra, this Sukh will come to you.
क्या सिखाया?
What did he teach them?
Ha
Viran, Aho Vakyam, Sankara Vakyam, Jihansa. Oh, Vakya. This is the slok. He told the hunters. So these hunters went in the forest and very loudly they spoke this slok. And Sukadev Swami who heard this, he came how? He came out from that forest. Bakasu's Putana, sister of Bakasur Putana. How did she come? She came in the form of a mother. Putana, killer of the child. How she came in the mother's form, and how she used to kill the small children. Attanta Durachari means how did she come to Gokul in the form of a mother or nothing else? And in the form of a mother, externally, from his she put poison on her breast, and she tried to kill a 6-day-old child, Gopal. What did the Gopal do? Gopal tightly got hold of her breast with the mouth and took the life out of her. And what happened to her? What happened to that Putna when she left her body? That she attained Golok Vrindavan. Not as a mother. Not as the mother. She became the maid servant of Mother Jashoda in Golok Vrindavan. Then who can be so much merciful like that? A Putna who came to kill the child. But what she attained? She attained Golok Vrindavan. Then who is so much merciful? Even like you do Vairagya, then when you get a sadhu sang, then you have this power that would manifest in your heart. But Putna didn't do any sadhan bhajan, right? She just came in as a mother. Vaikuntha upar is Ayodhya upar is higher than Ayodhya is Mathura, higher than Mathura is Dwarka, Dwarka, higher than Dwarka is Mathura, and higher than Mathura is Golok Vrindavan. So she attained Golok Vrindavan, the topmost. So Sukdev is saying, who's Gunman, who's got so much good qualities. What does that person look like? I want to see him. So he said, Sukadev Goswami came out when he heard this look. He came out from the forest. Then he said, the qualities, these qualities this person has. Wonder what his roop must be like. What must be roop, his form be like. When
सखाओं के साथ
Krishna is with his sakhas, with his friends, is going cow herding.
उस समय कृष्ण के इतने सुंदर
At that time, Krishna's roop is so beautiful.
श्रीमद् भागवत में वर्णित
It's described in Srimad Bhagavatam.
कितने सुंदर
It's
श्रीभंग ललित
three so beautiful,
है
three bended